Avodah Zarah, Perek Ein Ma'amidin, Daf Chavav, sponsored the Refuah Shlema for Zerach Zev ben Perel. We begin with the Mishnah. A Jewish midwife should not deliver a Gentile child. The reason: she is birthing a child for idolatry. Number two, a Gentile midwife can deliver a Jewish child if the birth takes place in the mother's home and other Jewish women are present at the birth. Rabbi Meir disagrees because the Gentile midwife is suspected of an undetectable murder. She presses on the soft membrane of the forehead of the child. Question: Price states she can birth the Gentile baby for pay. The answer: the Mishnah refers to providing her services gratuitously, where she can refuse, excuse herself by claiming she needs to work for a living. However, if the Gentile offers her money, refusing would cause anti-Semitism. According to Rav Yosef, this applies even on Shabbos. To avoid anti-Semitism, she could violate rabbinic prohibitions. If a refusal would trigger a blood libel, she can violate even biblical violations. If an acceptable excuse would be her religion permits Sabbath desecration only for Jewish women, Abaya holds she must make such a claim. Number three, a Jewish wet nurse is prohibited to feed a Gentile baby for the same reason as the first ruling. But a Jewish mother may have her baby fed by a Gentile wet nurse, but only if the mother or other Jewish women are present. Rabbi Meir prohibits even with others present. The reason: she could smear a poison on her breast undetected. Even though the Chachamim do not suspect the Gentile of murder, they permit this only where there is no other option since she eats non-kosher food. Rav Yosef permits this for pay to avoid an anti-Semitic reaction to her refusal. Unmarried, Abaya holds she can claim breastfeeding would harm her appearance. Married, she claims her husband would dislike it. The Gemara applies this dispute to dangerous Gentiles and shepherd thieves. These criminals fall into a pit. It is not required to raise them up unless the Jew is hired. Abaya holds even if offered money, he should attempt to excuse himself, claiming his son is stuck on a roof or he has an important appointment. Question: expression is moridin avolo ma'alim. It seems redundant. The answer: A, it teaches he can demolish a ledge claiming it was to prevent his animal from climbing down. B, it teaches he can cover a pit with a stone claiming it was to prevent his animal from falling in. C, it teaches he can remove a ladder claiming he needs to rescue his son who climbed on a roof. The Gemara mentions three we lower in a pit. Number one, a min. This is a priest deeply devoted to idolatry. Amoraim, dispute if included is a mumar lahachis, one who sins to defy the laws of the Torah. Torah scroll written by a min is burned. Number two, a mosir. This is a Jewish informer who assists Gentiles to confiscate Jewish money. Number three, a mumar, one who rebels to defy the Torah. One who rebels for gratification must be rescued. Even one who eats a gnat or flea desires to taste something forbidden. If you're enjoying Daf 5, please click on the link below, subscribe, and become a sponsor. Thank you.